Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Plumbing problems, whether it's that annoying drip of a leaky faucet or the frustration of a clogged drain, can really disrupt your day. But what if I told you that you don't always need to call in the pros? Today we're going to show you some must-know plumbing fixes that every homeowner should have up their sleeve. Ready to save some cash and boost your DIY skills? Let's dive in! First up, the classic clogged drain. Whether it's your kitchen sink, shower, or bathroom basin, clogs are a common nuisance. But don't rush to grab those harsh chemicals just yet. Start with the basics, a good old-fashioned plunger. Yep, it's not just for toilets. Make sure there's enough water to cover the plunger's rubber end, then give it a few firm pumps. If that doesn't do the trick, grab a plumber's snake, or a drain auger if you want to sound fancy. Feed the snake into the drain until you feel resistance, then twist and push to break up the blockage. And just like that, your drain should be clear. Say goodbye to standing water and slow drains. Next, let's tackle that leaky faucet that's driving you crazy. Drip by drip, it's not only wasting water but also money. Most leaks are caused by worn-out washers or O-rings inside the faucet. Start by turning off the water supply. Trust me, you don't want a mini flood in your bathroom. Then remove the faucet handle. This will give you access to the cartridge, which holds the washer and O-ring. Replace these with new ones. Make sure they're the right size. Reassemble the faucet, turn the water back on, and voila, no more drips. Not only will you save on your water bill, but you'll also feel like a total boss. Ever had a toilet that just won't stop running? It's not just annoying, it's wasting gallons of water a day. But don't worry, this is an easy fix. First, remove the tank lid and check the flapper, the rubber piece at the bottom of the tank. If it's not sealing properly, water will keep leaking into the bowl. Try adjusting the chain first. It might be too short or too long. If that doesn't help, the flapper might be worn out. They're super cheap and easy to replace. Just pop the old one out and snap the new one in. With the new flapper in place, your toilet should only run when you want it to. Crisis averted. Low water pressure can make your showers feel more like a drizzle than a downpour. But before you start dreaming of a spa retreat, let's try a simple fix. Often, low water pressure is caused by a clogged shower head. Mineral deposits can build up over time, restricting the flow. To fix this, unscrew the shower head and soak it in vinegar for a few hours. This will dissolve the gunk. After soaking, use a toothbrush to scrub away any remaining deposits, then screw the shower head back on. Turn on the water and enjoy that much improved water pressure. Who knew a little vinegar could bring such a big improvement? Lastly, let's talk about noisy pipes. Banging, clanking, or vibrating pipes are not just annoying, they can signal a bigger issue down the line. The culprit is usually something called water hammer, a shock wave that occurs when water flow is suddenly stopped. To fix this, you can install a water hammer arrestor, a small device that absorbs the shock and keeps your pipes quiet. No more banging pipes, no more startled pets, and no more sleepless nights. So there you have it, 5 essential plumbing fixes that every homeowner should know. Not only can these simple repairs save you time and money, but they'll also give you the confidence to tackle more DIY projects around the house. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way in home maintenance. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more handy homeowner hacks. Thanks for watching and happy fixing.